Are you preparing for competitive exams like UPSC, APPSC, RRB, SSC, or banking, and more? Welcome to SigmaElearning, your one-stop learning platform. We simplify tough subjects like polity, economy, science, maths, and Class 10 syllabus. Join crash courses, mock tests, MCQ series, and concept-based video lessons all in one place. Why Sigma is the smart choice. 1. Top educators. From IITs, NITs, IIITs, and other premier institutes. 2. Team includes successful aspirants of UPSC, GATE, APPSC, SSC, and few already in service. 3. Covers both academic exams and competitive exams. 4. Maths, polity, history, geography, science, physics, chemistry, biology are taught together to strengthen both academic and competitive preparation. 5. We explain the exam patterns and question types for better exam readiness. 6. Regular PYQ-based objective tests with detailed solutions. 7. Updated with current issues and key developments. 8. Make you confident enough to ace any competitive and academic exam. 9. Save your time and lakhs of money spent in coaching institutes. 10. Get in touch at 954-2400960. Learn from experienced teachers who were once aspirants like you. Study smart, score high, only on SigmaElearning. Subscribe now and power up your preparation.